Let's cut open this rock and see what's inside. It's a very interesting color, and honestly, I thought it was a bit of painted quartz at first. But after doing my research online, I think this stuff is called Chrysoprase. Chrysoprase contains a high amount of nickel, so that explains the green color on the outside. Some other interesting stuff I found out about Chrysoprase is that it's often mistaken for turquoise or even jade due to the similar color. But unlike them, Chrysoprase's green is purely thanks to that nickel. Another one is that it can also fade if it's left in contact with sunlight. Anyways, after cutting this one open, it seems like the green is just around the edge. Regardless, this rock is still impressive on how it turned out. Here are some close-up shots of it cut in half. And if you like rocks, make sure you hit that follow or subscribe button.